Hi, I'm Christophe Mendes, export sales representative for Novacom. Novacom is a French company conceiving, manufacturing and developing pneumatic components for vacuum handling, economic blowing and automation since 1991. In this video, I'm going to present you our Vortex cabinet cooler kit. Ideal for an efficient cooling of your cabinets, and unlike classical equipment, usually very expensive or unsuitable for your installations, this cabinet cooler is conceived to answer the industrial need and avoid any stop in production. It puts the electrical cabinet in slight high pressure to preserve it from dust, humidity or temperature changes. The cabinet cooler kit is easily installed and doesn't need any maintenance. It doesn't deteriorate over time. I'm going to explain the principle of the cabinet cooler. It functions with compressed air through the Vortex tubes principle. The compressed air goes through a cold air generator, like this one. The air whirls at high speed around the generator, producing a thermal shock and creating a cold air flow at the output that can reach -20 degrees. Here, our cabinet cooler kit is installed on a demonstrative electrical cabinet. The easiness of installation of the kit is a real asset, as it only takes 2 drillings. One for the Vortex tube, one for the thermostat, which is directed by the solenoid valve. We have 2 kits. The classical kit contains a Vortex tube and its cold air distribution duct equipped with a silencer. The second kit, the EL kit, contains an adjustable thermostat up to 80 degrees, a 24 or 220 solenoid valve, a compressed air filter to block humidity, and a digital thermometer in option. Here we can read an inside temperature of 29 degrees when the cooler is not functioning. We now adjust the thermostat on the needed temperature for the inside of the cabinet. For the demonstration, we will adjust it on 25 degrees. We now supply the cooler with compressed air. Let's see what happens. After 8 minutes, we can see that the inside temperature has reached our desired temperature of 25 degrees. Our cooler kit has stopped by itself. From now on, we will be able to stabilize the inside temperature. The cooler kit will trigger only if this temperature exceeds 25 degrees. Find our technical files and installation advices by clicking on the link below your screen. Don't hesitate to contact us directly for more information. Novacom. Quality and expertise of French manufacturing for vacuum and compressed air applications.